This video demonstrates the proper performance of manual sampling of a single combo containing 2,000 pounds of beef trimmings using the MicroTally cloth. First, assemble the appropriate sampling supplies. Next, put on plastic sleeves and gloves and sanitize appropriately. After sanitizing, remember not to touch anything except the combo liner, meat, MicroTally bag, and MicroTally cloth. Next, pull back the poly liner covering the combo to expose all of the meat on the surface of the combo. After ensuring there is no excess sanitizer on your gloves, tear off the perforated top from the MicroTally bag, remove the MicroTally cloth, and unfold it. Find a sampling location on the combo that makes it easy to recognize where to begin and where to end the sampling. To collect the sample, use both hands to vigorously scrub the beef trimmings with the unfolded cloth. During sampling, scrub the top surface of the beef trimmings and push the MicroTally cloth into the crevices between the trimmings to sample as much surface area as possible. This can be done two ways. The first is shown here. From the starting location, work around the perimeter of the combo to facilitate sampling the entire combo surface of beef trimmings. Using a timer to facilitate proper sampling time, pace yourself to work around the combo and reach the starting location by 90 seconds. This will use one whole side of the MicroTally cloth for sampling each half of the combo surface. After 45 seconds, one half of the combo surface should be sampled. Turn the cloth over and use the new side to sample the second half of the combo. The second approach is to sample the whole surface of the combo in the first 45 seconds with one side of the cloth. Then turn the cloth over and sample down in the crevices and around the pieces of meat in the remaining 45 seconds. This accomplishes the same sampling, but may be easier to explain to employees and provide more consistent sampling. After 90 seconds, refold the MicroTally cloth and return to the original bag. Close and label the sample bag, and recover the top of the combo with the poly liner.